Hi, welcome. This is another tip for software. I've just made a video for the Flatpak. This is possible on your system, ArcoLinux, Flatpak, right? But there's another one. gtk-macos-sierra. Let's install it together and see if we like it. That's the point of the video. Without, you don't need to install it. I install it. Take a look at it. You like it, you install it. In the meantime, we play a little bit with our system and explain some things. This is XFCE. It depends what desktop you're on, but you need to figure out where to set your appearance, right? And we need to go and have a look at what did we install. It seems it's called macOS Sierra, obviously, but things have changed already, right? So this is XFCE, which means we have a style here. We have a window manager here. Check. This changes. Oh, nice, right? And last but not least, we always like our mouse to be somewhat nice. I don't know. Bibata ice. Nice and ice. Close. So what we have is now this kind of look. And we have these buttons up here to close things. And again, you can keep on switching and changing everything around, but basically it's all possible and it's all free. It's all coming from the AUR. So macOS Sierra at this point in time. And you can change back to something, I don't know, let's take something like this guy, or maybe this guy. Everything is in blue, and we have here all the elements that we see in blue. So it's all up to you. There's so much more in icons, just yay icon theme or icons or icon theme and so on, or themes. There's so much more out there, or Google best icon themes, Linux and so on, and you'll soon figure out. We have the paper icon theme up here. Just install it with number 28 it is. Boom. All right. Oof, lots of stuff. 70 megabytes, 176 megabytes unpacked. And then we have paper. Paper before the S. So we have this guy and this guy, right? Close. And the look is gonna be this now. It's whatever you like, of course. It's very personal, the look of your system, but frankly, I like this look a lot. All right, have fun.